Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today how to install these infinite off-road side marker lights for your JT Jeep. And I have one installed here, and it was really simple to do. And I just want to show you how we're going to run the wire, and then we'll also turn this on so you guys can see it. I think the quality of these are really nice. I love the smoked look of that lens. It's nice and dark, but when you turn this LED on, I went ahead and tested them before I ran it, and they are super bright, even though those lenses are tinted. So let's go ahead and look at how we're gonna run the first wire. So after you pull the factory vent off, there's a hole in the back side of that, and that will pass through the fender. And then you have a 5-pin connector like this one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it along underneath that cowl over there, and I'm gonna use a plastic pry tool and push it up in there so it is hidden. So when we connect it to the other side, it'll be nice and tucked away. All right, so we're gonna install the light. You have a 5-pin plug on this side and red double-sided tape. I did go ahead and clean this off with some alcohol. So let's go ahead and peel that. Now what I found the easiest to do is to put this down on the bottom one and go ahead and fish this through. Now this side's going to be tight because you have your wire harnesses coming through. May take a little longer to find the wire, but go ahead and fish it through. So we'll work on getting this through, and we'll come back and we'll set the light in. Okay, I have this tool I like to use, and I use it a lot to fish wires. It has a little hook on the end, and it makes it really nice to grab wires. So down along the side of the fender here, I was able to locate the plug and go ahead and pull that through. So I'm going to fish this through, and make sure you're on the lower side so this will sit in there and not pinch the wire. Then what you want to do is push the corner up as far as you can. Kind of pull on your fender so that light can drop inside. Locate the holes. So you hear it click in. That got in between the fender and the paint. That's the first alignment pin. And then I'm going to push in the second one. And there we go. Now that's installed. We're going to go ahead and wire up the light. And to do that, you have your crossover cables, your hot and your ground, your fuse, and your Bluetooth wireless controller. All right, we got everything wired up, and this light looks awesome. It is super bright. Look at that light that it's casting. Now, we did wire it up to the VO switch that I have, so I can turn this on and off as we please. I do have the remote working. You can change the color of the lights with the remote, and this thing is awesome. As you can see here, we have it hooked up to the VOS switch, so that powers it on and off. And then when we use the controller, you can step outside here. If you hit the little colors, you can change the colors, different modes. You can go to solids. That's the purple. And these colors are pretty true. They're not like a variant of white. It may look like that in the video, but it's really true to color. It's just so bright. It's messing with my camera, and it's wanting to kind of dim it down because how bright it is. But I'm very happy with these. The color is amazing. And when you're inside the Gladiator, you can really see these colors through your side window. So it's really cool. Really happy with this. That's white. So, you know, if you're rock crawling at night or overlanding at night and you just need a little extra light, you could use the white or the yellow or the orange. And again, my camera is just wanting to dim this down because it's so bright. But you can see the fence line over there. It's really casting some good light. Pretty cool for a small light. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll put a discount code down below and a link where to purchase it. And if you use our discount code, it will get you 10% off. There you go. You can see the camera's trying to pick it up. Super bright. Man, this thing's awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.